And what we have here is a 1972 Yamaha LS2 100 Street Twin, 100cc 2-cycle twin cylinder. Picked this up as a basket case about a year and a half ago. Just got her done. The engine was completely gone through, new bearings and seals throughout, crankshaft rebuilt, new bearings and seals, bored to 0.5 millimeter over, new Yamaha pistons. Runs really good. Just do a little walk around here. All new cables, levers and grips. The blue and white paint was done at a local body shop here in Tonasket. New old stock seat. That was a little hard to find, but pretty nice. Frame was stripped down and repainted. Stock pipes are pretty nice shape. Got a little bit of staining on them that I couldn't get out, but other than that, they're real nice. This engine is oil injected, but right now for break-in, I'm running the oil injection and 24-to-1 mix in the tank. All the lights work, turn signals, horn works, speedometer and tachometer work. New points, condensers, plug wires, and spark plug caps, all new. Forks were rebuilt with new seals, oil, and dust boots. Fenders were in surprisingly good shape for a 50-some-year-old motorcycle. I'll start it up for you guys here in a minute. Okay, we're going to run the little LS2 here. I've already done 2 heat cycles on it. This will be the 3rd. Hopefully she starts up good. Run pretty good.